Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage dual SIM settings on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to connections. From here, just tap on SIM manager. Now under SIM cards, you will find the option to turn on and off the selected SIM card. Now for an example, if you're not using SIM 2, you can turn it off from here, just like that. And also from here, you can turn it back on. And in this section, you will find your preferred SIM settings. For example, if you tap on calls, you can select which SIM card you want to use for your calls. And also you have the option of Ask Always. Now, if you select Ask Always, it will ask you every time which SIM card which you want to use for your calls. Now, if you tap on Messages, you can select which SIM card to use for your messages. Now, if you tap on Mobile Data, you can set a SIM card for your mobile data usage. Now, if you select SIM 1, you will set SIM 1 to be used for your mobile data usage. Now, after that, you have the option of data switching. Now, if you enable data switching and if you're disconnected on one SIM card, it will automatically switch to the other SIM card to make you stay connected to the internet. And this is how you can manage dual SIM settings on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.